Good morning, Woodlynde School. It is Friday morning and we are here with our student assembly. And this morning we have something really special for you. We are really excited to have your peers, your students and friends share with you an inspirational message during this difficult time. We're away from each other physically, but we are together as a community, and that is what's most important. The sense of community at Woodlynde is one of our strongest features, and it's something that I've loved from the moment that I became part of this community. So student to student, your friends and colleagues this morning are going to share with you a moment of inspiration, something to get you through the remaining weeks of our distance learning program this spring. So to get us started this morning is Michael.
So an inspirational message I have is that we're doing great during the quarantine, and to keep up the good work for distance learning, because we only have a few more weeks and we'll all get through this.
That's right, we'll get through it together. Thanks, Michael. All right, Jameson, what do you have for us?
Think about next year. Like, all we can have fun together, like as a community, and fifth graders. I think you will really like the sixth grade teachers next year. They are the best teachers ever, and it play like every single game like you can think of, and fifth graders, I think you are gonna really love your teachers next year.
Thank you, Jameson. Emma.
I just want to say to everyone to stay strong and don't give up, and we will all get through this together.
Thank you, Emma. Grayson.
I just want to say to always try this hardest, and you can do anything that you set your mind to. So always try your best, and remember, we're all here for you. So what our teachers always say, don't be afraid to reach out if you need help or anything. And remember, we're still here for you no matter what, even though if it's from a distance and it's online. Remember that we're always here and we're here to help you. So, and always try your best no matter what. Never give up.
Thanks, Grayson. Phoenix.
Well, I know quarantine, it's such a time of uncertainty, but like a lot of people have been saying, we can still reach out to our friends. We can still send them as many memes as we want to, we're still connected. We've still got each other's backs. And also, like, don't be afraid if during this quarantine, like, you want to do something new. It's a great time to try new things. Even if it turns out badly, you're still doing something. And I think that's really great. So, and if you can't turn it into a good thing, that's okay too. Everyone's experiences is totally valid, and we can do this.
Thanks, Phoenix. That's great. Morgan?
Something positive I would say is, like, I guess for everyone probably that we get more time to, like, spend time with our families. Like, I know I've bonded more with my siblings, like, over this quarantine. I've become, like, closer just, like, in general with everyone. So I guess that's a positive.
Yeah, for sure. All right, Mateo.
Something that is positive and motivational is that nobody likes quarantine, but one good thing about it is that you get time to think about the way that you're gonna go back to school and see all your friends, and you can think about what you missed and how you can always look forward to something great. And you can take this time to, like, maybe chat with your friends or watch movies that you never got to watch and you really wanted to. And also try to get outside, but do it safely. And just stay positive and happy.
Thanks so much, Mateo.
Well, thank you, kids. That was awesome. As usual, we appreciate your time, energy, and effort into this project. I have some announcements to give. First of all, I want to congratulate the seniors because, believe it or not, today is their last day of classes. And a reminder to seniors, you have until the following Friday to complete any outstanding work that you need to get done. So please use that time to get your work done. For everybody else in upper school, the last day of classes is May 27th. So that's only 7 more days. So stay the course, go to your classes, complete your work, and then you can check that box and we can start looking forward to next year. I have some birthdays to share with you all this weekend, actually all on May 17th. Happy birthday to Mrs. Bowl. Happy birthday to Eve Fisher. And happy birthday to Peter Iannacone. And I'm going to wrap this up giving you guys a quote, something to think about. There are moments when troubles enter our lives and we can do nothing to avoid them, but they are there for a reason. Only when we have overcome them will we understand why we were there. Make it a great day, everybody. See ya. Thank you.
Bye.